Hi guys, it's Sarah Taylor. Welcome to my studio. I am going to show you some colors here. So I'm going to be working on this 16 by 24 inch canvas, which I have on one of Jessica Winterstrom's spinners here. And I'm going to show you some colors. So this is a color called Vivid. It's from Vivid Intense. It's called Bordeaux. And I actually added a little bit of quinacridone magenta from TriArt Fluid and a tiny bit of India yellow, which kind of just dirtied it a little bit. This is beautiful. This is TriArt Liquids Phthalo Turquoise mixed with Chardonnay Indigo and a little bit of Payne's Gray. This is a Burnt Umber by TriArt Fluids. I've been using their paints a lot. They're just fabulous. And another TriArt Fluid, it's TriArt Liquid. It's Golden Fluid TriArt Liquid. This is their India Yellow, which is more of an orange, but it's just lovely. It reminds me so much of this Chardonnay color that I've always loved. I can find it. Anyways, it's their golden, I'm almost out of it. I might actually be out. So, oh, here it is. Their bright yellow gold, which looks really orange here, but it's very similar to that TriArt Fluid India Yellow. And then this is kind of this light pink. I started with some pink paint, Amsterdam, like rose pink, and then I added titanium white and also some raw sienna to get it to this nice kind of dusty pink color. And then I have some white base coat. This is just barely tinted white. It's kind of a semi-transparent base coat. And I'm just going to go back to this very simple, these are all base coats. They all have satin enamel in them. And I'm going to do a very simple black puddle strategically placed on the canvas and spin it and see what we can get going. All right, I'll see you in a minute on the canvas. Okay, so this is my 16 by 24 inch canvas. And I'm going to go ahead and lay down some different colors of base coat. And I really enjoyed having the canvas on the spinner. It gave me some great opportunities just to move the canvas around and get some extra paint off, and it really came in handy. So I might be doing that more often with my pearl paintings, getting them on a spinner like this. Yeah, this is a beautiful technique. I really enjoyed this color palette, kind of using up some leftover paints that I had from a huge painting that I did, and I did have quite a bit of paint left. So I'm going to kind of work through this color palette, kind of move through these paints, and then I've got some really different ideas for color in the following months. I am open for commission work at the moment. So I usually do about 10 commission paintings a year. And I just finished my first one. So if you're interested in commissioning a painting, you can email me at info@stmodernart.com. There's also a ton of different ways to contact me in the description of this video, along with links to other videos and recipes and all sorts of good information. So you're seeing the white, the pink, the India yellow. I added some magenta, which I didn't show you in the beginning. There's that Bordeaux by Vivid Intense. Yeah, really interesting colors. And then I mixed up this big kind of tub of darker base coat too that was left over. So, all right, enjoy. I am about, oh gosh, maybe 3/4 of the way through this video. I did pull out a couple different colors of bloom paint and some iridescent gold, fine golden high flow. So when you see that gold and those other thicker paints start to go down on the canvas, that's what you're seeing. I just was a little bored with the center composition of this piece, and I kind of stared at it for a while and then went in with the bloom paints and the high flow, which react really beautifully together. And I'll show you a little bit of dry work as well, and of course the dried finished results at the very end. One last thing I'm teaching at the Fluid Art Experience in Asheville in North Carolina in May 23rd through the 25th. So if you're interested in that, let me know. There's a link in the description as well where you can book tickets. It is booking pretty quickly, so if you're interested, yeah, don't wait to get your tickets. And yeah, much love. I hope you like this painting. I thought it was kind of different, and I really had a lot of fun making it. So, all right, thanks for being with me today. Yeah, see how, oh yeah, the spinning helped. It helped me get some paint off. But yeah, have a beautiful, beautiful day. Take great care, and I will talk to you very soon.
kitchen light, we both look for a sign, and you say these are troubles of mine. Weary thoughts of breaking up, coming under your skin. Don't know if we should stop or begin. 'Cause I was there by your side, with my eyes open wide, and I know that will always be true. There were no reasons why, guess all beauty must die. We try hard but we also oh, so reckless. So reckless. are all filled with pride. I'm a wreck when I'm not by your side. Yes, I know that I have to agree. There is no one as reckless as me. And now that you are in me, and there's no way without, cannot function with this power out. There were no reasons why. Guess our beauty must die. We try hard but we also so reckless. So reckless. So reckless. So reckless. I was there by your side, with my eyes open wide, and I know that will always be true. There were no reasons why. I guess our beauty must die. We try hard,